In today's tutorial, we are going to look at stem plots, stem and leaf diagrams, stem and leaf plots. We are going to be doing 2 questions, starting with this one. Question edu the table gives the number of days on which rain fell in 36 consecutive intervals of 30 days. So this is the data we are given. We have 30 observations. So once draw stem and leaf diagrams with the following class intervals. So in this particular question, we are given a specified class interval yatinofanirwa kushandisa. Saka A iri kuti 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, then 20 to 24. Saka what is the class cannot interval width panapa? We know kuti titsvage the interval width, we are going to be physically counting from 5 to 9. Saka 5 is included. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kureva kuti we do have a width of 5 units. Kana kuti panapa a width of 5 millimeters. Since we can assume good rainfall, it is measured in millimeters. Then panapa 4 to 6, 7 to 9 until 22 to 24. If we physically count, it will be 4, 5, 6. Kureva kuti we have a width of 3 units. Kana kuti munogona ngoti 6 minus 4 1 2. Then since murikuziva kuti mukutsvaga width where you include the first value, zvoreva kuti we have a width of 3. Munenge makungoti 2 plus 1. Okay. Saka zvatinochiita pano, it's also very sacrosanct kuti titange taziva the lowest value, which we can just call mean. Saka let us investigate and see what the mean is. Saka panapa we see kuti tina 6 as a small value. Saka takutsvaga any value which is smaller than 6. We have 5 panapa. Kureva kuti our minimum is going to be 5. What about our maximum value? Panapa we have 21. Let us look for any value greater than 21. We have 24 pano. Saka it's 24. Our minimum and our maximum. Saka ngatitangei ne A. A irikuda kuti draw a stem and leaf diagram, but these are the intervals. Saka using our intervals, let us now start with a draft plot. Then our draft plot, it's obviously going to have a stem. Then a leaf. Saka what is going to be our stem? Saka pano hanti tikutangira pana 5, tichikumira pana 9, then tozoti 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24. Izo tinoziva kuti if we are going to be treating the stem as tens, which is actually what we usually do. Saka nachitreata our stem as tens. Zorova kuti pana 10 to 14, stem inenge iri 1. Pana 15 to 19, the stem is 1. Then pana 20 to 24, the stem is going to be 2. What about pana 5 to 9? We call the stem is going to be 0. Saka we can have 0 as a stem. And mukatarisa pano, there is no need yokushandisa the method we used when we did our last lesson. Pataizodai, so just as a reminder, pataizoti 15 to, this was our key, is equal to 17 degrees Celsius. Why did there is no need to do that? Nipamusana pekuti hatina a change of the stem within the same interval. Asi muchazozoona patichaita B kuti we have a change of the stem within the same interval panapa. Saka our choice of stem and leaf is going to be altered by that. But let us focus on what we are doing. Let us focus on A. Saka mastem edu tamanyora zvakanaka. Let us now follow through. Tichita say tichi cancela this. saka tiri kutanga na 21 kureva kuti 1 anenge achiuya pano, then 19, saka 19 anoenda pana 1 upi. Mukatarisa pano mukaona kuti 15 to 19 ndiye 1 wechi2, saka 9 anouya pano, and you have to be careful there. 6 anenge achienda pana 5 to 9 apo. Ko 12 anoenda pekutanga, 10 to 14. Ko 8 anouya pano, koma 8, koma it's a separator, musaikanganwa. 18 anouya panapa. Ko 9 anouya apo. 8, 11, 17, 15, 13. I'm gonna, it's forming itself. 16, 9, 17, 18, 9, 24, 17, 7, 8, 17, and another 17, 8, 7. It's a lot of work. 11, but you can see it is forming. 16, 17, 8, saka 8 anouya pano, 5, 13, and then 22, 20, 0, then about 16, 20, 13. Tikaverenga maleaves edu anofanirwa kutipa 30 values, but since tanga tichikancela per every entry, zvoreva kuti this is going to be correct. Then taita nenzira iyoyi, let us now write our final plot. But a final plot, let me use a different color kuti zvisiyane, because I want my stem here. Then I want my leaf here. Then what I encourage is, before matombonyora this final plot, chibvai matoisa key yenyu kuti musaikanganwa. Saka key yedu iri kutiudza kuti 06 means 6. Mogona wedzera another value. 12 means 12. That will be your key. Saka ngatichiitai mastem edu 0, 1, 1, 2. What about my leaf? Saka my leaf tinogona kunyora futi tichikancela kutira kuti tisaita mistake. Saka the smallest number panapa tirikuona kuti ndi 5. Saka tikakancela 5 uyu ndo watakutanga naye. Tichibva pana 5 toenda pana 6. Tine here umwe 6 hatina. Saka takuenda pana 7. Then tichibva pana 7 tine umwe 7. Toenda pana 8. Umwe 8. Then tine futi umwe 8 pano. Umwe 8. Then tina futi umwe 8. Chibva ipapo takuenda kuna ma 9 ari 3 handiti 9, 9, 9. Saka I'm going to push a little kuside kunoku kuti zvikwane 9, 9, 9. Okay. Kopana 1 panapa, apa pari easy. It's 1, 1. Then tabva pa 22. Then 3, 3, 3. Then 1 anotevera, we should be more careful. Saka our smallest number, we can also see kuti ndi 5. Tobva potenda pana 6. But ma 6 mangani pasara 1, 2, toenda pana 7. Ma7 mangani? 1 2 3 4 5 6 ma7. Then tichibva ipapo takuenda kuma8. Ma8 mangani? 2. Push a little again topesarana na9 like this. Then pama2 it's easy, we start with this ma0 ari 2.1 2 4. Saka natadai so tinenge tatonyora our final plot, our final stem plot. So we were using the intervals 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, the completed stem and leaf diagram. We have put it down, and we have also put down the key. We have to take a note that the stem and leaf diagrams could have been written differently. But the way of writing this differently sort of overcomplicates things. But since we are learning, I'm bound to show you a different way of doing this. So a different way which I can call a method 2 yanga chizobuditsa a result like this. Mastem edu, instead of saying 0 1 2, mastem edu tanga tikona kumanyora sezva ari. Saka this calls us to this remembrance. Saka panapa it's 5 to 10, then apo is 10 to 14, apo 15 to 19 and 20 to 24. Sata chikona kunyora mastem edu akadai so 5, then 10, 15, 20 like this. Saka zvanga zvizorevei, let me bring this down. Zvanga zvichireva kuti pana 21 panapa tachizono cancel handiti, panapa tonyora chi ari 1 like that. Then pana 19 apo hatichanyori ari 19, takuti 15 16 17 18 19, saka tomnyora ari 4 panapa. So our key inenge very important to tell us kuti kana tichiti 15 4 tiri kureva kuti tichati 15 plus 4 which is going to give us 19. Saka kana ari 6 hatinyori 6 tonyora chi 1, 12 hatinyori 12 tonyora 2, 8 takunyora ari chi 3 like this. Murupabata. Saka this gives you extra work, but it's also another way of going about it. Zvekutoti tikatedzera this process, I want to give you as a task, ndoda kuti mupedzise zvandatanga panapa muchiita in this way. Then mapedzisa tichada futi kuti muzonyora our final stem plot. Then kana mapedza, you can use the comments, or those who are in our private class, you can send me your work, then I will see if you've done it correctly. Saka you can do it this way, or you can do it this way. You don't have to take my word for my word. You can elect yamunoona iri easier, because zviri kuitika apa tirungotanga na 5 like we usually do, totora 10 15 na 20. That is what we usually do, and it seems to be a lot easier. Okay, let us now go pana B. Now looking pana B arikuti chi? B arikuti titange pana 4 to 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12, 13 to 15, 16 to 18, 19 to 21 and 22 to 24. Saka ndatomboita preempt patangotanga this lesson kuti panapa panoita pause a difficulty. Saka we should start of course with our draft plot, which of course is going to have a stem and leaf. Then we have to make a decision on the stems we are going to be using. Saka apo manje, the stems we are going to be using, tinenge takutora totanga na 4 unoyo, toya totora 7, then 10, 13, 16, 19 and 22. Saka key yedu manje haichazi iya ya key atajaira, because key atajaira isusu nde ishi inoti a b is equal to ab, kureva kuti kungobatanidza manamba aya. But key atakuchishandisa apa manje, which is a special key, nde e ab is equal to a plus b. Mapaona kuitira kuti pana 4 panapa kana tida unyora namba yakaita sa 6 hatiinyori iri 6, toinyora iri chi iri 2, because tichazoti 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Mapaona, saka we are going to be using that. Okay, 21. Sa 21 tunaenda pana 19 pano, toti 19, 20, 21, saka rati pachanyorwa 2 pana 19. Saka kana ya 19 zorati pachanyorwa chi 0, because 19 plus 0 ndiani ndi 19. Then pana 6 sekutara kwataita 5, 6 panonyorwa 2, pana 12 panonyorwa 2, pana 8 panonyorwa 4, pana 18 panonyorwa 2, pana 9 panonyorwa, saka 9 akuchinyorwa pano manje. Saka pana pa yanga iri 4 to 6, zokutoti taita mistake motiregerera. Mistake yataita nde e patanyora 21 anga ari correct, 19 ari futi correct, because it's 19 to 21. Then panapa 6 manje anenge futi ari correct, saka 6 ari correct, 4, 5, 6 ndiye 2 uyu. 12 ari correct, because panapa 10 to 12, saka we should be careful of the width. Ko 8 anofanirwa kuchiuyachi pana 7 apa, 1 pano ndo mistake yatanga taita. Ko 18 now, saka 18 anoya pupi 16 to 18, 16, 17, 18, 2. Kureva kuti if you look, you are going to see kuti ma leaves edu, we are never going to have a value which is greater than 2. And I don't see if you can see it. Kupana 9 apo, 7, 8, 9, saka 2. Kupana 8, pana 8 futi 7, 8, pana 11, wanarko yapo, pana 17, wanano ya pano, pana 15, 13, 14, 15, 2 apo, pana 13, 0, remember, pana 16, 0, pana 9, 7, 8, 9, pana 17, 1, pana 18, 2, pana 9, trukuya pana apa ndi 2, pana 24, 2, pana 17, 1, pana 7, 0, pana 8, 1, pana 17, 1, another 17, 8, 8, 1, 7, 0, 11, ko 16, 0 pano, 17, 1, ko 8, 1, 5, 1, 13, 0, 22, 0, 20, 1, 16, 0, 20, 1, 13, 0. It's going to be like that. It's going to be like that. Then pano takuchinyora our final plot. Stem, leaf. It's 4, 7. Saka tatiseta kushandisa a b is equals to a plus b because of 19 to 21. Because panapa in the same class tiri kuchinja ma stem. Saka you should be careful of that. Okay. 13, 16, 19, 22. Saka it's just 1, 2. Apa manamba awandisa, saka we should account mazero mangani, mazero 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. Zvakanaka zvakadaro. 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. Then apa mazero mangani, 1, 2, 3. Then apo ma 1 mangani, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then koma 2 akamira sei, 2, like that. Okay, ma 19 we are saying 1, 1, but tina 0 ka, saka tiri kuti 0, 1, 1, 2, apo tirongoti 0, 2. Kana tadai so tatonyora our final plot. So that is how we go about it. Then takatarisa our plots, we can see that both diagrams show that the mode is 17 rainy days, but the 7 intervals used in B show more clearly the 2 peaks, illustrated that the distribution is approximately bimodal. Saka a bimodal distribution, tichaita ma distributions, but bimodal distribution ingakadai so. As you can see, kana tikaita trace panapa, it's like this. It's bimodal. And illustrating that the distribution is bimodal, and the modal class 7 to 9 and 16 to 18. So that is how that is done. If you have derived benefit from this question, may you please consider liking, sharing and subscribing. If you want to join our private class doing statistics at advanced level and also at ordinary level, you can WhatsApp on the number we are writing on the board. Otherwise, thank you so much. Have a nice day and take care.